at these. Bananas for sale? The 1990s? See the problem? Apostrophes are not grammatical glitter you can just throw onto the end of a word. By the end of this video, you'll never mess them up again. An apostrophe either shows possession or it replaces missing letters. That's the whole rule. Job 1. The dog's bowl. Something belongs to something else. Job 2. It's, short for it is. Letters standing in for letters that got dropped. Here's the one that trips everyone up. It's, with an apostrophe, always means it is or it has. It's raining. It's been a long day. It's, no apostrophe, means belonging to it. The cat licked its paw. Just like his or hers, possessive pronouns never take an apostrophe. Not even this one. 3 tiny words, 3 completely different meanings. Cats. Plural, more than one cat. No apostrophe, ever. Cats. Singular possessive, belongs to one cat. The cat's toy. Cats apostrophe, plural possessive, belongs to multiple cats. The cat's toys. Here's one that sneaks past almost everyone. A decade is a plural number, not a possession, so it never gets an apostrophe before the S. The 1990s reads as if the 1990 belongs to something. It doesn't. It's just the 1990s. Same idea as 2 dogs or 3 cars. But here's the twist. When you abbreviate the century, just apostrophe 90S, the apostrophe comes back. It's standing in for the missing 19. That's job 2 again, replacing missing letters, or in this case, missing digits. Here's a 5-second test. Ask yourself, am I showing that something owns something else, or just making a word plural? Ownership? Use an apostrophe. The writer's pen. Just plural? No apostrophe. The writers submitted drafts. Let's recap. 1. Apostrophes have exactly 2 jobs: possession or missing letters. Nothing else. 2. It's always means it is or it has. It's never takes an apostrophe. 3. Plurals don't get one either. Cats, not cats, unless you mean ownership. 4. Decades are plural. 1990s, not 1990 apostrophe S. Only the abbreviated version gets the mark. 2 jobs. That's all it's got. Possession or missing letters. That's the whole rule. Everything else is just guessing. Next time you reach for that key, ask yourself the question. You've got this.